the game against Uratex while waiting with against the Uratex and My Philippines. And now let's start our ball game. And I can't also wait to see who will be our champion for this 3x3 Invitational Tournament.
Yeah, if you're gonna ask me, no, hindi ko rin alam sino i-expect dito eh. Like, any of these two teams can be the champions, pero it will just be a matter of circumstances, no? Kung sino ba yung magpapakita for this game.
And ikaw, Cho, sino ang sa tingin mo ang mag-champion between these two teams?
Kakasabi ko lang, Hana, na hindi ko alam, no? Kung sino ba talaga ang
Sino
sa
na
tingin
lang
ko.
yung mas lamang sa tingin mo? Ayun.
Sa tingin ko, on paper, no, mas lamang itong Uratex Dream kasi wala si Camille Claro. So that will definitely be a chip on the Titans' shoulders. Pero syempre, hindi naman natin pwede count out sila agad because ang daming mga pwede gumawa dyan.
And early into the ball game, we already have Titans leading. And there's 2 points also from Pingol, tying the ball game with 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Again, we have Hazel Yam adding to that. Titans and Uratex nagbabalikan lang na sila ng score here. So,
Very fast-paced game, napapansin ko. Very toe-to-toe, nagbabalikan lang sila ng mga puntos.
Cacho, no good for that 2 points. Harada gives it to Pingol. Pingol looking for, she didn't expect Harada to cut.
Yeah, yun lang yung mga kailangan din ingatan. Again, kahapon pa natin sinasabi actually na yung margin for error in 3x3 is very little. Hindi ka pwede magkamali because the moment magkamali ka, expect mo na gagamitin yun sa'yo against ng kalaban mo.
Ayun nga, kaya naman ulit tayo for our ball game. As Harada gives another 2-point shot for Uratex Dream. Now, making their team lead by 2.
Narinig ka niya ata, ha, na sabi mo tied ball game daw. Sabi niya, hindi tied to, leading kami by 2.
Kailangan pa ata nating lakasan ng onte para mas marinig nila, no? And here we have Castillo driving to the basket with that reverse layup, but no good. Kay Pingol. Waiting for Deacon with that. And a good drive there by Kay Pingol. And we have a substitute here. Cacho coming in and Hazel Yam.
Still a very close game, Hana. I think anytime soon, no, walang makakaharap talaga ng rhythm nila kasi both of these teams, I'm sure, kating-kate. Manalo ng championship. This is very intense. Swerte na lang talaga ang unang makakuha ng kanilang rhythm, no?
7 minutes and 26 seconds left for this championship game. Cacho with that 2-point jumper, no good. Hazel Yam now passes it to Peñaranda and makes that bucket, make it to 8-6. Titans now. Hazel Yam for that 2-point shot, but no good. Harada to Deacon. Wasn't able to get that, but good thing Deacon was there. Hazel Yam now. Rebounded by Deacon. Uratex up by 2. Harada. Deacon.
Si Deacon tumitira na sa labas, no? Mukhang kakailanganin ng Dream ang kanyang production in and outside.
Hazel Yam now. Yam for 2. No good. 6 minutes and 12 seconds with Galicia adding to the Titans, cutting the lead to 1. Deacon now. Passes to Harada. Very intense game here. So,
Yeah, isa lang lamang ulit. Walang lumalayo more than 3 points yung lamang. Ang nakikita ko is really back and forth buckets from both. It's either magkakaroon ng 2-0 run ang isang team, then papalagan ng kabila. So really intense. Tama ka.
and Uratex Dream called for a timeout with 8-7 in favor of Uratex Dream. And this timeout is brought to you by Blue Refreshing Boost. Ball possession goes to the Titans. Peñaranda got fouled there by Uratex Dream.
Kanina ko pinag-uusapan, Hana, yung momentum, no? And ito, nakita natin. Yung
End
one.
one.
Yeah, sabay pa tayo dun. The momentum is very important, and this may be yung momentum starter na hinahanap ng Titans para makalayo, because they've been battling it out for the past 4 minutes, no?
Wasn't able to make that free throw for Peñaranda. Now Kay Pingol adding to her 6 points now with 8. Uratex Dream now again leading with 2 against the Titans. Hazel Yam now. Peñaranda with a rebound. No call was called there. Kay Pingol looking for a screen. Kay Pingol against Yam. And it's a goal for Kay Pingol.
What a step through, no? For Kay Pingol, sabi ko sa'yo, she's a very shifty guard na can really do a lot of things. Great footwork from her that time.
Great fake also from Kay Pingol, leading her team with 9 points out of 11. Very versatile guard, Kay Pingol. And alam mo maganda, Cho, dito, pang championship talaga yung pinapakita nila na mga galawan.
Yeah, Hana, halatang championship game to eh. Halatang yung very elite kung, yun nga, that's why our invitational today is called the Elite Invitational. As Kay Pingol will make it
11
a 5-point lead.
points. 11 points for Kay Pingol. What a move there by Castillo. However, couldn't convert. Kay Pingol again with the ball, looking for a drive, and adds to her score. 12 out of 14 for Kay Pingol with only 4 minutes left. And Peñaranda answers back. Uratex Dream ahead by 5. 3 seconds to shoot for Uratex Dream. Kay Pingol, no good there. And ball should go to the Titans as we heard the shot clock. Galicia to Peñaranda. Easy money for Peñaranda.
Medyo lumalayo na tong Uratex Dream, no? Kanina they were able to get a lead of 5. Ngayon, 4 na lang. For the Titans, they also have to make a run of their own kahit papaano makalaban sila. Because again, I believe kung sino yung una talaga makakuha ng momentum, no? Yun talaga yung magwawagi for our game.
And speaking of momentum, I think Uratex Dream's Kay Pingol has her momentum already with her 12 points out of 14 for Uratex Dream. And that's very big. Now that she's carrying her team for the championship. Peñaranda again with 4 points now. Peñaranda completes the free throw, cutting the lead to 3. Kay Pingol once again, And a steal by K. Pingol once more.
13 points na.
Harada. Harada now. And an and one play also with Harada. What a play by the Uratex Dream now.
Problema to. As we can see, no? The bump. The finish of the basket. Rattles through the rim and will go in for Harada. Again, problema to. Para sa Titans, hindi pwedeng hayaan nila na tuloy-tuloy ang momentum nitong Uratex Dream.
And speaking of Uratex Dream, Cho, siguro sobrang proud and sobrang tuwang-tuwa sa performance nitong Uratex Dream si Miss Peachy Cheng Medina. As we saw earlier, she's there sa bleachers alongside with her husband, enjoying and supporting the Uratex games for this 3x3 Elite Invitational. 3 minutes left for this ball game. Uratex Dream 4 points away for the championship. Pingol rebounds the ball, passes it to Cacho. Cacho all alone there. However, wasn't able to get it. Cacho again, but foul, called for a foul. And that ball wouldn't count for Uratex. Titans still down by 5. Hazel Yam with the 2, no good. Deacon with the rebound. Pingol for 2, and again! Pingol with 15 points now.
What a monster performance, no? They're 2 points away from the championship. And again, problema to para sa Titans. All they need to do is deny one shot. You know, just keep on defending. And who knows, no, baka matanggal itong momentum na meron ng Uratex Dream.
Grabe. Yung K. Pingol having 15 points, Cho. And now they're 2 points away from getting this championship. Peñaranda now adding to 12, adding that to 12, making the lead now to 5. K. Pingol once again. Harada. Cacho to Pingol again. Stolen by Hazel Yam. Naabutan nga lang ng shot clock.
Yun na. Ito na yung sinasabi ko na dapat gawin ng Titans. No? They should do more of those. I-deny lang nila yung deny. And eventually, no, mawawala yung momentum niyan, yung apoy.
Andito pa kami, sabi ni Peñaranda with that bucket. Peñaranda now with 7 points for Titans. Still couldn't convert for a 2-point play. Harada with that shot, which makes Uratex Dream a point away. So, a point away with only 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining.
Yeah, they're just really outrunning their opponents. So, ano si Harada? Kakatira lang niya, pero...
And Harada was fouled. And so, Harada making that free throw. If she makes it, they're already the champions.
Yeah, no? Grabe yung gravity ng meron na free throw.
Not a good foul right there.
And ito
With
na.
only 1 point.
Here is Harada on the line. So, prepare your seats, ladies and gentlemen. Tira natin kung ito na ba ang championship clincher ng Uratex Dream.
And the championship goes to the Uratex Dream with Samantha Harada completing that free throw.
What a shot, no? What a sequence. Who expected na matatapos ang ating laro through a free throw? That just means sobrang intense talaga ng ating laro.
And let's look at the final score. It would be 21-14 in favor of Uratex Dream.
Grabe, we can see, no, in these game highlights, both teams really battled it out. No, kita-kita natin, no, Hazel Yam doing some noise, Castillo, kanya-kanyang ingay yan, kay Pingol lalo na. But in the end of the day, no, it was the free throw na ang nagpatahimik sa Titans, giving Uratex Dream the championship.
As we can see our highlight plays from the Uratex Dream here, and them celebrating also with one of the owners of the Uratex Philippines.
Yes, and Hannah, for our viewers, no, they should stand by because there will be an awarding na magaganap in our W Movement 3x3 Elite Invitational. No? Abangan natin kung sino yung mga first runner-up, second runner-up, and so on and so forth. No? So that's something to look forward to in the next minutes. As we can see, Uratex praying, no? Good sight to see na they are united as one after this championship na nakuha nila. And they clap it out. Obviously, they are happy with their championship. And again, Hannah, natapos na ang ating invitational. A quick comment, no, about performance ng ating ladies.
Uratex Dream just really gave out a wonderful performance. Lalong-lalo na si Christina Dicon, who was actually nursing an injury after that scare against their game with My Philippines. But still, you can see here, their heart really pouring out just to get this win, just to get the championship here. And also, let's give a round of applause to Titans for giving them a good fight.
Yeah.
Na, you know, even though they were limited also to how many points, they were able to stand in their way, make until the championship, and although fell short, still showed a great performance.
Yeah, di pura pa fight, yun yung importante, no? Hindi sila sumuko and pinahirapan nila ang soon to be announced champions, that is Uratex Dream.
And also, Uratex Tibay joining Uratex Dream. Parang nanalo na rin ang Uratex Tibay.
Yeah.
As they were very proud for their team's Uratex Dream.
Yeah, and as our host announces it, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, the champions of our W Movement 3x3 Elite Invitational, Uratex Dream. Of course, they are composed of Kay Pingol, Christina Dicon, Samantha Harada, and Mika Cacho. Yes, congratulations to the whole Uratex management. And of course, congratulations for them as they will come home with 25,000 pesos, no? So, a very good W.
And gift pack from Blue. And our MVP of the match, MVP of the first Elite Invitational would be no rather than Kay Pingol. 15 points lang naman.
Yeah, kumbaga, more than 1/3 nung skinor niya para sa team niya. It has been a Kay Pingol story for Uratex Dream today, no? Lalo na sa finals. Perfect time para magpasabog ng ganong karaming points.
Kay Pingol being the most valuable player again. Kahit saan mo talaga siya dalhin,